Welcome back to this series on electric ukulele playing. This video is about Bijou by Queen from their last album Innuendo. A bijou is a small, delicate thing of beauty. It's maybe an odd choice of Queen track, but why not? I haven't done many single instrument pieces, and it's a beautiful and unique song where Brian May begins with a solo instead of putting it in the middle. His solos tend to be carefully crafted compositions, and the one here does have a classical feel. I'm not doing the whole intro solo, but it's some of it, and it lets me use my Brian May zoom patch. Tune your uke and let's learn this. For the moment I'm not going to use a pick, although I'll switch back to one in the performance video. The intro riff is fun and sounds cool, but really it feels like a practice routine. You're just going up and down the notes. Then we do this fun slide. Jump up a string. See what I'm doing here? I think it's easier to string bend on a uke than it is on an electric guitar because of the physics of a shorter fretboard. But I still use both fingers here to give me some more muscle in this bend because we need to go up quite a ways and hold on to it. Then we have another string bend on the third string, higher up, again using two fingers if you like for support. The next phrase is pretty high up, so you may need to do some finger squishing to make it work. The next phrase is similar, although it begins lower down. And our last phrase is another run up the neck, all the way up to the 18th fret for another pitch bend. Try to hold on to that sustain as long as you can. Now let's see and hear it with the backing tracks.